国际上经济所在拢在战争。根据加沙卫生部门上新的统计，对2023年10月初7拍到弹以下战争，上无是已经有56000条加沙百姓性命无去。美国总统川普伫7去参加刚果甲杜安达和平协议活动的时阵表示，过来一礼拜内应该就会当看到以下停战。
How close are you and your administration to a deal in terms of Gaza ceasefire right now?
Often asked, and I think it's close. I just spoke with some of the people involved. It's a terrible situation that's going Gaza. He's asking about, and we think within the next week we're going to get a ceasefire.
川普讲出互人意外乐观的答案，我感觉真奇怪。先莫讲加沙，还佫有战争的攻击，佫较莫讲以色列也是哈马斯，目前拢无让步的迹象。
We remain alert on all fronts. We are preparing for a variety of scenarios and continuing to operate against Hamas in Gaza, alongside our efforts to return all hostages. The mission is not yet complete. 50 hostages remain in captivity.
加沙一大受用无厝通大家庭的学校，27起予以军攻击，短24点钟内，共有72个人死亡，超过170人受伤。根据加沙卫生部门上新的统计，2023年10月初7甲单的以哈战争已经夺走56331条加沙人的性命，伊个全面封锁加沙所引起的粮食、医疗等人道危机，佫较是真严重。
And people are being killed simply trying to feed themselves and their families. The search for food must never be a death sentence.
以色列伊朗12天的战争结束了后，西北来文的媒体拢在报道，川普当地促成以色列总理纳坦雅胡结束以哈战争。其中，以色列发言量上大的报纸《以色列今日报》佫伫报道，川普伫攻击伊朗核设施了后，虽确定维护纳坦雅胡，甲伊确定讲要伫2礼拜内结束以哈战争，而且佫要扩大川普顶一任总统的时阵，促成以色列甲阿拉伯国家关系正常化的亚伯拉罕协议。 根据伊国媒体报道，新的亚伯拉罕协议的内容包括沙特阿拉伯、叙利亚甲以色列建交，哈马斯领导高层流放，中东各国代管加沙，以色列嘛会承认巴勒斯坦建国。不过纳坦雅胡办公室已经否认，甚至表示无可能接受这种的提案。以色列的强硬派佫较是安尼。公司新闻，安如梅编译。